Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install app on your iPhone without asking Apple ID password. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open App Store. So as you can see, here are the apps. So we try to get any app. As you can see, it's asking for the Apple ID password. So how to get rid of this? So now go ahead and fix the problem. So first of all, open settings and now type on Apple ID profile and scroll down, type here media and purchases and now type on password. So as you can see, here is the required password. So always required and required after 15 minutes and turn off. So you have to toggle it off and type on done. So now go back and scroll down. As you can see, here is the screen time. So now tap on screen time and scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. So as you can see, here is the iTunes and App Store purchases. Type it. As you can see, here is the required password, always required and don't required. So now you have to type on don't required, go back and make sure that you have toggle off content and privacy restrictions. So now toggle it off and go back to App Store and we try again. So as you can see, here is the Snapchat app. Try to get. So as you can see, app is installing right now without asking Apple ID password. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.